Integrating Authorize Net Webhook events list is a crucial step in keeping your application updated with the latest payment information. To begin, you need to understand what webhooks are and how they work. Webhooks are callbacks made by Authorize Net to your server, notifying you of specific events such as payment successes, failures, or updates. First, you need to set up a webhook endpoint on your server, which is essentially a URL that Authorize Net will send event notifications to. This endpoint should be able to handle HTTPS requests and return a 200 OK response to acknowledge receipt of the event. Next, you need to register your webhook endpoint with Authorize Net. This involves creating an account, navigating to the webhooks section, and entering the URL of your endpoint. You will also need to specify which events you want to receive notifications for, such as payment authorizations, captures, or refunds. Once your endpoint is registered, Authorize Net will start sending event notifications to your server. These notifications will be in the form of JSON objects, which you can then parse and use to update your application. For example, if you receive a payment authorization event, you can use the information in the event to update the status of the payment in your database. To handle these events, you should implement a webhook handler on your server. This handler should be able to verify the authenticity of the event by checking the signature and timestamp included in the event notification. It should also be able to handle any errors that may occur, such as network failures or invalid event data. Best practices for integrating Authorize Net Webhook events list include using a secure connection, verifying the authenticity of events, and handling errors gracefully. You should also ensure that your endpoint can handle a high volume of events, in case you receive a large number of notifications in a short period. In terms of practical examples, you can use programming languages such as Python or Java to create a webhook handler. For instance, in Python, you can use the requests library to verify the signature of an event and the JSON library to parse the event data. In conclusion, integrating Authorize Net Webhook events list is a straightforward process that requires setting up a webhook endpoint, registering it with Authorize Net, and handling event notifications on your server. By following best practices and using the right tools, you can ensure that your application stays up to date with the latest payment information and provides a seamless experience for your users.